Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be showing you the assembly and the building procedure for this cool little robot. It's a 662 piece set, and I got my sons here to help me put it together. We got this around the holiday time, and we're excited to use the remote control and check out this little robot's capabilities. So let's go ahead and open up the box, and we'll get the pieces out and we'll start putting it together.
You did that easy. This 2 cuts, that's all. You can just right clear.
Take out all the pieces real quick, Lou. All right, guys, we got all the pieces out. Looks like several different plastic bags and 2 manuals. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. So I started off with all my kids, and it was going great. And then, of course, kids being kids, they lost a little bit of interest, but they came back periodically throughout the assembly. I found it easier to put the parts in several different glass, cooking dishes so that I could stay organized. The way that the kit is built is there's several different ways that you can build the robot, and the kit includes all of the pieces to finish it in whatever form you want to assemble it, but they do put all of the pieces together in the same bags. So it's, hey, I see the picture here, I gotta find it in this pile. It's not exactly, one piece and then another piece, and you gotta look for them. But as you do it, you get a lot faster and it gets easier and easier. But my kids came back every once in a while, and 3 or 4 hours later we were able to get everything together. So pretty fun kit. It is a little bit challenging to push some of the pieces together, so adult assistance is definitely required, but fun project for my kids and I. Well guys, we finished up the project, and this is our cool little robot. It's really fun. It's got the 2 different tracks, and trying to teach my son that going one direction on one track and then going the opposite direction on the other track actually makes it go the same direction. So we've had a lot of fun kind of switching the different controls around on the controller and really practicing going forward, backwards, and stuff like that. So that's been fun. Okay, so we got it outside. Let's go ahead and give her a run. So you can see down in there, there's a little switch, and that's how you turn it on. So we'll turn that on. It gives us the blue lights indicating that it's waiting to pair with the controller. Turn on the controller, and it's steady blue.